Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Schwab, specifically their website at https://www.schwab.com. Charles Schwab is a well-established name in the financial world, offering a comprehensive range of services from brokerage accounts to financial planning and wealth management. Navigating their website, you'll find a wealth of resources designed to cater to investors of all levels, from beginners just starting out to seasoned professionals. The site's layout is generally user-friendly, with clear sections dedicated to different product offerings and services. Whether you're interested in trading stocks, exploring mutual funds, or delving into retirement planning, Schwab's website provides access to the tools and information you need. One of the key features I appreciate is the emphasis on research and education. Schwab offers a variety of resources, including market analysis, educational articles, and webinars, empowering investors to make informed decisions. They also provide tools to help you track your portfolio's performance, set financial goals, and stay up to date on market trends. While the website is generally well organized, the sheer breadth of information can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially for newcomers. However, Schwab has incorporated features like search functionality and a helpful FAQ section to assist users in finding the information they need. Overall, Schwab.com provides a robust platform for managing your investments, but it's crucial to take the time to explore the site and familiarize yourself with its features. It's also worth mentioning that Schwab's customer service is generally well regarded, offering multiple channels for support including phone, email, and online chat. For anyone considering utilizing Schwab's services, exploring their website is an excellent starting point. You can gain insights into their investment philosophies, product offerings, and the tools available to support your financial journey. Before making any investment decisions, be sure to conduct your own thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor to determine the best strategies for your individual needs. Remember, investing involves risk, and it's important to make informed choices.